Hi guys, my name is Leah and today I am going to talk about Indian states, union territories and their capitals as well as the languages spoken in those states and union territories. So the first state is Andhra Pradesh and Amravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh and Telugu is the language spoken in Andhra Pradesh. The next state is Arunachal Pradesh and Itanagar is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital. However, Guwahati is the judicial capital of Arunachal Pradesh. English is the spoken language of Arunachal Pradesh. Next up is Assam. Dispur is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital, but Guwahati is the judicial capital of Assam. Assamese is the language spoken in Assam. Next state is Bihar. Patna is the capital city of Bihar and Hindi is the language spoken in Bihar. Next state is Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Chhattisgarh. But Bilaspur is the judicial capital of Chhattisgarh and the language spoken in Chhattisgarh is Chhattisgarhi. Next state is Goa. Panaji is the administrative capital of Goa. Porvorim is the legislative capital of Goa and Mumbai is the judicial capital of Goa. Konkani is the official language of the Goa. The next state is Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Gujarat. But Ahmedabad is the judicial capital of Gujarat. Gujarati is the spoken language in Gujarat. The next state is Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital city of Haryana. Hindi is the spoken language in Haryana. The next state is Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the administrative capital as well as the judicial capital of Himachal Pradesh. But Shimla is also a legislative capital during summer and Dharamshala is the legislative capital during winter. Hindi is the spoken language in Himachal Pradesh. The next state is Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital city of Jharkhand and Hindi is the spoken language in Jharkhand. The next state is Karnataka. Bengaluru is the administrative capital, legislative capital as well as judicial capital of Karnataka. But Bengaluru is the legislative capital during summer and Belgaum is the legislative capital during winter. Kannada is the spoken language in Karnataka. The next state is Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is the administrative capital as well as legislative capital of Kerala. Ernakulam is the judicial capital of Kerala. Malayalam is the spoken language in Kerala. The next state is Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Madhya Pradesh. However, Jabalpur is the judicial capital of Madhya Pradesh. Hindi is the spoken language of Madhya Pradesh. The next state is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the administrative capital, legislative capital and also judicial capital. However, Nagpur is the legislative capital during winter, but Mumbai is the legislative capital during summer. Marathi is the spoken language in Maharashtra. The next state is Manipur. Impal is the capital city of Manipur. Methi is the spoken language in Manipur. The next state is Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya. Kasi is the spoken language in Meghalaya. The next state is Mizoram. Aizawl is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Mizoram. But Guwahati is the judicial capital of Mizoram. Mizo is the spoken language of Mizoram. The next state is Nagaland. Kohima is the administrative capital as well as legislative capital of Nagaland. But Guwahati is the judicial capital of Nagaland. Nagamese is the spoken language in Nagaland. The next state is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Odisha. But Cuttack is the judicial capital of Odisha, and Orissa is the spoken language in Odisha. The next state is Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Punjabi is the spoken language in Punjab. The next state is Rajasthan. Jaipur is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Rajasthan. But Jodhpur is the judicial capital of Rajasthan, and Hindi is the spoken language in Rajasthan. The next state is Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Nepali is the spoken language in Sikkim. The next state is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the spoken language in Tamil Nadu. The next state is Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. Telugu is the spoken language in Telangana. The next state is Tripura. Agartala is the capital city of Tripura. Bengali is the spoken language in Tripura. The next state is Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital of Uttar Pradesh. Prayagraj is the judicial capital of Uttar Pradesh. Hindi is the spoken language in Uttar Pradesh. The next state is Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital, but Nainital is the judicial capital of Uttarakhand. Hindi is the spoken language in Uttarakhand. The last state is West Bengal, and Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Bengali is the spoken language of West Bengal. So these are the 28 states of India. Now let's move on to Union Territories. The first one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is the administrative capital, and Kolkata is the judicial capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Tamil is the spoken language in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The next union territory is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Chandigarh. English is the spoken language in Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is the next union territory. Daman is the administrative capital, whereas Mumbai is the judicial capital. Marathi, Gujarati, Bili, Bildoli are the languages spoken in Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Delhi is the next union territory. New Delhi is the capital of Delhi. Hindi is the spoken language in Delhi. The next union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the capital city during summer, whereas Jammu is the capital city during winter. Urdu and English are the spoken languages in Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh is the next union territory. Leh is the administrative capital during summer. Kargil is the administrative capital during winter. Srinagar is the judicial capital during summer. Jammu is the judicial capital during winter. Boti is the spoken language in Ladakh. The next union territory is Lakshadweep. Kavarati is the administrative capital, whereas Ernakulam is the judicial capital of Lakshadweep. Malayalam is the spoken language in Lakshadweep. Puducherry is the last union territory. Pondicherry is the administrative capital as well as the legislative capital. But Chennai is the judicial capital of Puducherry. English is the spoken language in Puducherry. So these are the union territories of India. I hope this video has been informative to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.